Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can chat on Duolingo. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we're logged in, and we're going to go over to the right hand side on the toolbar. You can see that there are a bunch of options here, and right at the end you can see that there is a little bell icon. You can tap over there. Now, once you're in here, you can see right at the top, it says you can celebrate achievements with friends, and you can go ahead and tap on add friends. Now, you can connect a bunch of different networks. So you can see that over here, it says find contacts. It also says invite friends. And then if you have signed in with your Facebook account, or you have connected your Facebook account or any other account, you can actually sign in and connect with your friends on those social media networks as well. So you'll be able to find those friends here. So let's go into the find contacts, and here basically it'll identify anybody that is on your contact list that has a Duolingo account. You can see now that there are a bunch of different people, and what you can do now is go ahead and select any one of them. I'm going to go ahead and select this one, and you can now get into their profile. You can see over here, you can now follow that person. At the top you can see that there's a big follow button, and once you tap on follow, you'll be able to actually chat with this person. And there you go. If you want to chat on Duolingo, that's how you get it done. I hope this was helpful. If it was, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.